Do you think that you can solve this problem on your own? If so, pause the video now so you can put your answer in the comment section down below when you're ready. Otherwise, let's take a look at the problem together. In a standard xy coordinate plane, what is the distance between the points -2, 1 and 4, -7? Now, the first instinct a lot of people are going to have is to use the distance formula, but it's kind of a complicated formula to have memorized. Instead, I'm going to offer you a different strategy where we're going to put this on the coordinate plane so you can see what this looks like, and then apply the Pythagorean theorem. In general, I like this strategy because I think more people know the Pythagorean theorem by heart as opposed to the distance formula. So our first point is -2, +1, so I'm going to estimate that to be right about here in quadrant 2. And our other point is 4, -7, so I'm going to estimate that in quadrant 4 to be right about here. Our goal is to find d, or the distance between these 2 points. Now if you want to use the distance formula, you totally can. You just have to have this formula memorized and then plug in the coordinates that you have. But here's another way. Looking at this visually, we can see that the vertical distance between these 2 points, between 1 and -7, because those are the y values, is going to be a distance of 8 units. Horizontally, or the distance between this -2 and +4, we're going to have a distance of 6 units. Once we know the vertical and horizontal distance between any 2 points, we can go ahead and use those pieces of information to find the distance between those 2 points. While we more typically see the Pythagorean theorem as a² + b² = c², in our particular case, we're going to go ahead and write 6² + 8² is going to be equal to this d². Squaring the 6 and the 8, we get that 36 + 64 is d², and adding the 36 and 64 together, we see that 100 is equal to d². Taking the square root of both sides, we see that the distance between these 2 points is equal to 10. We should go with answer choice D. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing this with a classmate or friend who might also gain something from it.